If you keep missing studs, you're probably doing this wrong. When trying to find a stud, a lot of people will knock on the wall or even guess, and that's exactly how you end up drilling into nothing. Even with a stud finder, most people either move too fast or don't use it correctly. Here's the right way to do it. When trying to locate studs, the right tool here is a stud finder, but only if you use it properly. First, it's important to know whether your stud finder finds the edges or the center of a stud. A stud finder like this is programmed to signal at the center of a stud, whereas a stud finder like this shows you the entire stud behind the wall. Now, these are a little more expensive, but I greatly prefer this tool for added peace of mind. But for all stud finders, you want to start flat on the wall and you want to move it slowly. Once the finder signals, you want to mark the edges and center of the stud and check both sides if you can. Then when you go to drill, you'll feel real resistance, not just empty space behind the drywall. If the bit goes in too easy, you missed.
Here's a quick tip. Any outlet or light switch is going to be immediately next to a stud. You can use these or reference them to measure off to find the likely location of your next stud. So when you're hanging things, here's a general rule of thumb. For light stuff, you can use a nail. For medium weight items, use a quality drywall anchor that self-drills into the drywall. And for heavy items, use your stud finder to locate those studs and sink your screws directly into the centers. You'll be glad you did.
So take a few extra seconds here to do this part right, and it'll save you from a lot of problems later. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out the channel for more DIY videos for dads. I'll see you next time.